You can have that.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll.
Well, this is probably the last ride out, this one is. It's cold. I've got my ET grips on too, which I don't normally have because it's like fucking lava, but I'm very nash now, I've lost weight. I'm going down to Winsford. I'm going to take my bike for a nice little jet wash, get it cleaned up and get it tucked away for winter, because I ain't riding in weather like this, cold and shit and wet. So there'll be no more biking videos this year, and I've just got my mojo back at all, just before I lock my bike away, which is fucking marvellous, isn't it, eh? I've been looking at wasting money again, which you can't afford because of if we go on holiday again next year, then that's going to be £3.5 grand again, and then we'll put names down for France with motor rev in May, me and Oggy. There's another 430 quid, so I'm going to have to work some overtime, get that paid for. But I've been watching all the videos on the Jacqueline Hyde exhaust. It sounds beautiful. If you don't know what one is, type it in. Jacqueline Hyde exhaust, BMW 1250. Oh, it sounds nice. You've got two settings on it. Loud. Well, you've got three. You can have it half open as well. You can have it loud, quiet, or halfway. But it's just deeper, throatier. But you're looking fitted £2 grand for an exhaust. And I ain't got that kind of fucking money. I know Jacqueline Hyde will be watching my video, so if you want to sponsor me with one, I'll give you a review. Oh, it'd be a good one, tell you. Be a bloody good one. I could be bought with one of them. I'll tell you what, I'm going to miss riding it. It's fucking beautiful, this bike is. It's had its service, the BMW, so that's done now. It's brimmed, so I ain't got to fucking fill it up. The only thing I've got to get next year before we go on that trip is a new rear tyre. I think I've got fucking 1.9 mil left on it. I think it's 1 mil the limit, or the legal limit, so I've got to get a new tyre. So I'm just going to get a rear. Front one's alright, that's 2.9, so I'm just going get a rear one fitted, same tyre. Then next time I'm going to change. I've been told to try the, oh, I can't think what they're called now, trial attack freeze. I don't know, make Continental maybe, I don't know, but yeah, I've been told they're a good tyre by a lad that comes in our place. He swears by them on his GS and that, so I'm going to try a set of them next tyres, because these are alright tyres. Not had a problem with them, but they're fucking noisy. With being like fucking 20% off-road, you just get a fucking humming sound every now and then. Not that I really notice it anymore. I mean, I think bikes like this look nicer with knobblies on, but that'd do me fucking Sweden, that would. They look the part with knobblies on, but this shit ain't ever going to go off-road. It's me baby. So yeah, trial attack freeze, that's what I'm trying next time. But I'm a tyre bastard, so the more miles I get out of a tyre, the better. These ones, done about, what is it, about 6,000 miles I think on this. So these ain't been bad. If we get over 6, I'm happy. It's not been started for 2 weeks, this bike, and I've got a tracker on it. And normally I'd have to plug my Triumph in all time. But it started. It took a couple of goes though this morning, so I thought, fuck me, my battery's flat. Well, it didn't. It started, but I've not had it plugged into my trickle charge. Whereas my Triumph, I don't think that would have started after 2 weeks. I thought I was going to be struggling with this morning though. It took about 4 attempts to get it started. It was just like bleh, bleh, bleh. But the bleh turned into a ba-boom, 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 boom, man. I hope the fucking cunts are in my jet wash already. I'm not happy with that. I was hoping to get straight on. Come on, dickheads. Oh, you fucking bitch, love. And you bitch, love. You could have let me go, couldn't you? Horrible little bastards. Don't know if they know, but I'm the cock of this town. Get out of my way, you idiot. She's not going. Are any of them working? They are? Fucking hell, I'm in. It's authorised, mate. Let's get this dirty little boy washed, eh? But that is low pressure. That is low pressure, isn't it? Come on. Fucking hell, I can piss harder than that. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you want that, don't you? You love that, don't you, baby? Get yourself all fucking dirty. Oh, making your way, aren't I? Oh, you want to be me, don't you? You want to be a member of the VeryStrangeBikers? Oh, no one's fucking listening to me. Oh yeah, we shouldn't be doing this, but we are, aren't we? I've got some parts through winter for Oggy to fit, some more fake carbon. That light guard's going. I've got a carbon one. Well, a normal light with a surround that's carbon. Of course, not a carbon headlight guard. You wouldn't see the light through, would you, you fucking idiots? What are you thinking? Let's get all this here, yeah. Oh, you like that in there, don't you? Get that up there. Oh, you like that, oh yeah, you like that again. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I think we've had a very enjoyable time doing this, haven't we? Let's go. What's that one? What is that one? Let's press it. What's that? Alright, okay. Bit high pressure. So we're getting a quick fucking rinse off, get the shit off it. I've got to clean the wheels properly. I've been saying this for fucking ages and never done it. Well, I've got to. My gold wheels and my babies. I've got my lazy bastards, as you all know. That's the problem we've got. Oh, that's a cold rinse. Cold wash. High pressure. That's it. That's what we wanted. Fuck, I've got it tied around the post. What an idiot. This guy in front don't know he's in for a race. But he is. And I'm going to win that race. I'm in Dynamic Pro and I'm looking for some action, mate. Might give him the stand-up victory stand now. Yeah, that's it, mate. You see me and you're scared, aren't you now? Yeah, well, I'm coming for you, pal. I'll tell you what, that'd be hard, wouldn't it? If you fucking did a lot of off-roading and you had to stand up on your pegs and shit and you had one leg smaller than the other. Well, lopsided. Be alright going around corners, I suppose. We will fly like the window, yes we will. Blow dry this. You just don't need out faster than this fucking bike, you really don't. It's got the torque. As long as the bike will do a ton, you're sorted. You don't really need to go above a ton. It's nice getting up there and then slowing back down. It's all about the torque. Yeah, I've got some parts for Oggy fit. I've saved them. I really have. Give him something to do in winter. He's done everything else on my bike, so he may as well finish it, hasn't he? All AliExpress as well. Love that place, I do, for fake parts. Like I say, out of all the things I've ordered, I've probably only had a couple of things that have been proper shite. See, that's the only thing fucking Manjaro's done for me. I've lost 3 stone and it's cost me money. I don't feel any better. I don't feel any different whatsoever. It's just me fucking biking jeans. These are 150 quid. They're too big for me, so I need to get some more of them now. So that's costing me. I got some of them fucking rain seal waterproofs, the ones that fucking glow white when the light hits them. They were 60 quid. I only got extra large in them. They're too big for me. Going to have to get some more of them. My normal clothes, I'm renewing all that shit. So yeah, it costs a lot of money as well as the jabs. You've got to think about all your fucking money you got to buy new clothes for now. But I've got 3 more jabs now, and then I'm stopping because I've got to save money for holidays and that. So we'll see how we get on. I've changed my eating, so hopefully it should keep off me. I don't want to lose any more weight because I look like a fucking crackhead now. That is a shit indicator on that car, isn't it? See it in front? That is wank. That is alright when you're not braking. Brake. That is wank. The wankiest indicator I've ever seen on a Puma. Or as Arnie would call it, a Puma. Puma. You fucking knobhead. You waited till I put my foot down, didn't you? You fucking idiot, mate. Oh, by the way, what date is it? What date is it? I don't know what date it is. About the 16th of November now. Yeah, Sunday the 16th. We've had our Christmas decorations up for a week. What do you think about that shit? Now, don't get me wrong, me and Deb aren't like that. We fucking take the piss out of people that have them up too early. But granddaughter, she's been mithering for weeks. So yeah, we've got them up for her, and every night last week of coming from work, she's been sat downstairs on her own with the Christmas decorations on, listening to fucking Christmas songs. It's beautiful. Honestly, Christmas for the kids. She can have it up a fucking month early if she wants. I said leave them up all year round. It makes her that happy. But yeah, the only thing I wish we'd kept the blinds closed in the front living room, because people walking past can see we're them fucking knobheads that have got the decorations up. I'd like to hide it from the outside world, but for me little girl, yeah, she fucking loves it. Imagine when we were younger how happy we were at Christmas, how excited you were. It was fucking magical, wasn't it? Well, we're back, guys. We're fucking back. And that's it. That's probably it. I have got some fucking videos I've never put up that I've not edited, some footage. I might have a look at that if it can be arsed through winter, but we don't know. We'll see. Let's get this baby put away and let's fucking see how much shit I've got sprayed up it. I'm hoping not much. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Is it dirty? Wheels need cleaning. Bit up the exhaust, I'll wipe that down now. Right, that's it. That's it. Until I can be asked put out else up. So, Bonjela, take care. Be safe. And remember, there's no wrong with being a little bit strange. Okay. Bye bye now.